Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Outlook privacy options in Microsoft 365 Security Basics, complete guide step. Open Outlook on your device. Sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. Navigate to the File tab located in the upper left corner. Select Options from the menu that appears. In the Outlook Options window, click on Trust Center. Now, click on Trust Center Settings. You'll see various options on the left side of the Trust Center window. Select Privacy Options. Here, you can manage how Outlook handles personal data. Check the boxes for options regarding sending personal information to Microsoft. Click OK to save these privacy settings. Next, return to the Trust Center window. Select Email Security from the left menu. This section allows you to configure security settings for your emails. Under Encrypted Email, you can manage encryption settings. Click on Settings to view or change your digital certificate. Ensure your email account is properly configured for encryption. Now, let's move on to Microsoft 365 Security Basics. Go to your web browser and sign in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. In the left sidebar, click on Admin and select Security from the options that appear. From here, navigate to Security and Compliance. Explore the various security options available to protect your organization. Focus on Threat Management to set up protection against phishing and malware. Enable multi-factor authentication for added security. This adds an extra layer of protection to user accounts. Review and adjust data loss prevention settings as necessary. Regularly check the Reports section for any unusual activity. Educate users about common security threats and best practices. Staying informed is crucial for maintaining security. Regularly update all security settings to align with new threats. This will help safeguard your email and data effectively. Congratulations, you've completed the setup for Outlook privacy options in Microsoft 365 Security Basics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.